Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez were on the sets of ETC Bollywood Business with Komal Nahata to talk about their latest film, Cake. Do check out what they had to say about it.
एक और बात, ये ट्विटर, फेसबुक, ये सब प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो अवेलेबल हैं, उससे कुछ बदला है आप लोगों की लाइफ में? जैसा आपने कहा कि वी हैव गॉट ट्विटर फॉलोअर्स, वी हैव गॉट फ्रेंड्स ऑन फेसबुक, तो वी कैन क्लैरिफाई, मगर फिर भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन नजर आता है, स्टार्स इरिटेट हो जाते हैं जब मीडिया कुछ गलत शब्द लिखती है, तो फिर
ट्विटर वॉर्स भी है। It's actually a platform actually to start a lot of controversy.
Exactly. In fact, मैं यहाँ पर आपको कहूँगा, जब शाहरुख खान आए थे आफ्टर द रिलीज ऑफ चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, मैंने इसी शो पर कहा था कि ये जो शाहरुख और सलमान खान के फैंस हैं, they have made it their bounden duty कि सलमान की
there is no fan of mine when we didn't talk. Today we talk. Even at that point in time, it is not their business to get on these wars.
Exactly.
And I don't think that the person is worth being my fan if he's doing anything like this.
So you don't approve of this?
I don't approve of it at all. I hate it, in fact.
Because सलमान खान के बारे में कुछ लिखे तो शाहरुख के फैंस ऐसे भौंकने लगते हैं, दौड़ने लगते हैं. Ditto for the same thing happens. अगर आप शाहरुख खान के बारे में कुछ लिखे, सलमान खान के फैंस ऐसे चीखते हैं, ऐसे चिल्लाते हैं जैसे कुछ खून कर दिया है किसी ने.
I appreciate you on Twitter, you're on Facebook, but I don't appreciate the fact that you're on it all the time.
Exactly.
ये काम करो यार.
And जो language use करते हैं.
You're on it also so negatively.
Disgusting. It just shows their upbringing. It just shows that how their parents have brought them up, and it doesn't. तालीम ही नहीं मिली इन लोगों को. थोड़ा सा English words का लिख लिए. I also sometimes read these tweets and stuff like that, and there was some माँ बहन की गालियाँ.
Yes. Filth.
Yeah.
Absolute filth.
What kind of Indians are you? Yeah. And what kind of people and what kind of human beings are you? I mean, so that I would rather get off Twitter and get off Facebook than get to know this is where the youth of the country is going. It's disgusting.
Youth of the world, actually, because Twitter is the world is a country. How active are you on these social platforms?
Actually, on Instagram, I'm quite active because it's an expression through pictures. So I kind of like to share that with my fans, just like pictures. I like to take photographs and stuff. Twitter, I'm not so verbally active, actually, because I think expressing myself is still a little bit... I actually use it more to if a fan is asking questions or something. So I reply.
Rather than striking up a conversation.
Yeah, I can't express myself on Twitter like, okay, so today I'm doing this, or guys, this is my opinion on so and so. I can't bring myself to do that actually on Twitter. But I think it's an amazing platform for me to interact with fans who have questions maybe for me, or if I need to maybe promote something, with, let's say, brands I'm associated with or the movies that I'm doing. I find that an amazing platform, and to spread maybe awareness or something, because it's a great platform.
So fans get into all these social networking sites so that they interact with the fans. Okay? But that does not give the fans the right to get carried away. It's not cool. And I think all these social, what are they called?
Networking sites.
Or lukhagiri sites. I mean, I have it on my phone right now, but I hardly ever see it. When I'm doing nothing at all, that's when I get on Twitter. And
do you do nothing at all ever?
When I am. I mean, no, I'm thinking all the time when I'm sitting in between a shot, maybe once in a few days. I've got lots of time, and I see my phone. It strikes me, "Acha, to ye bhi hai." Then I read a few tweets, and then I tweet back, and I interact with the fans. So you get into this so that there is a direct approach with the fans. But they can't get carried away. Like, I hate it when people come outside the building at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and they're fans, and they're standing there, and they're drinking and creating a ruckus outside. I just want to go and slap the hell out of them, because my father is there. Then there's the whole building is there. People sleep in the building. They get disturbed. हम तुम्हारे घर पे आके सब करें क्या? How would you like it? So these I don't consider these people to be fans at all. I just think they have no upbringing. They're not cool at all.
But fan frenzy भी कोई चीज होती है?
हो ना, वो तो है, वो तो अच्छी बात है. वो नहीं होंगे तो हम नहीं होंगे. लेकिन एक लिमिट के अंदर आपने अपने आप को काट दिया. ये क्या?
Are you swearing?
No, चुके बात.
अच्छा, you didn't understand Hindi swearing.
Just came out. आपने अपने आप को काट दिया, नाम लिख लिया. Stupidity this is, you know. I can understand it that you're wishing well and you're praying. That we also do that. That we wish that, you know, that our fans are happy and they have enough money to go and watch the movies and they have no trouble in their lives and stuff like that. Like we've started something on the Facebook page right now. I've got all my brands together and asked them to hire people from my Facebook page. So you're as it is hiring people from outside, hire my fans with the people who don't have any jobs. Because every time I get onto Twitter or on the Facebook page, I just see कि भाई काम दिला दो, काम पे रख लो, काम पे दिला, कहीं काम नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, पैसे नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. तो I thought कि ऐसा कर देता हूँ. Lekin looks like nobody wants to work, or everyone's like really happy, and everyone's got like a really well-paid jobs. So very few people have come on, which is damn good if they have jobs, and it's really scary that
if they don't want to
work, because because as soon as I tweet, I'm amazed as to it just starts trending. So I mean, are you working?
Yeah, are you only doing
out here?
What are you doing
Exactly.
on here?
I would be out. When I think about it, it's a huge, it's a big high. It's a kick that you tweet and it starts, trending. But I rather not have it trend. I rather when they have the time, they pick up and they see the tweet.
How is it that every time
exactly.